What's up guys, my name is Serge. As always, welcome back to my channel. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below where you guys are from, who you are, and what brought you guys to the channel. Today's topic I actually want to speak on is age. Age really is just a number, and people allow this to just be an excuse not to do something. I've talked to a lot of people and they ask me what do I do, and it's not about what I do that really gets a reaction out of them. It's usually when I tell them how old I am, and 99% of the time I always get this crazy reaction of how shocked they are about my age. What really shocks me though is usually the statements that they make after they find out how old I am and all that I've accomplished. And it's those types of statements that actually shock me, and it's statements like, wow, you've done so much, or I wish I could have been thinking like you when I was your age, or just other examples like that that actually shock me when I hear people say that. For me to think that I'm a quarter of the way through life actually makes me want to go out there and get it even more. It's like I'm trying to beat the clock, but the reality is life is long but too short to live worrying about the things that don't even matter. So guys, just go out there and really put your heart into whatever it is that you're doing and just give it your all. If you're watching this, go out there and get it. And regardless of what people tell you because of your age, just know you're never too young or too old to ever start. Go succeed, go fail, and go live life to the fullest like it's meant to be. This is what I have to say for people that are younger than I am. I'm 22, so the people that are younger than me, you have time on your side, so take advantage of that time that you have. Go invest that time in educating yourself and learning and constantly mentoring and meeting new people. Use that time to build something for yourself, to get yourself out there. And then for the people that are older than me, use your experience of life towards your advantage that young people don't have. Young people don't have that experience, you do, so that kind of puts you ahead by knowing what to avoid and what to go for. Aside from speaking on like business and finances and different things like that, I actually want to speak on something that I always come across, and it's always a topic, but it's especially at people my age or even older, is the topic of being married by a certain age. And I so disagree with that 100%. You guys can dislike the video if you do disagree with me, but I just hear me out. The reason why I say that is because people go through certain experiences and different seasons of their lives at different times, and so you can't really say that that's the best age to get married or the best age to start something, because you don't know where that certain person is. Everybody's different. So that's why I don't agree with being married at a certain age. I always hear it and it's always like, oh, get married at 24, 25. But it's like there's people still living at home. I'm not bashing people that live at home with their parents, but what I'm saying is there's still people that aren't really experienced in life and aren't really living their life to the fullest and are just kind of cooped up in their parents' house at 25. So are you saying they should get married because they're 25? So guys, like it's the same concept of starting anything or even going into anything. So don't use your age as an excuse. Just go do something. Like, go do it regardless of how old you think you are or why you shouldn't do something. Just go do it. If this inspired you guys, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, guys, and comment down below what you guys think about, you know, being a certain age. I would love to hear people's inputs and opinions on this. I think it's a really cool topic to kind of just get a different perspective from other people. So go ahead guys, comment down below, let me know, and I will see you guys all in the next video. God bless and bye.